Hi everyone, welcome back. And I would like to share my journey of transforming my passion for candle making into business. I moved to US in 2010 and for 8 years I stayed at home raising my two young children. One of them was just 2 years old when I returned to work in 2018. Candle making started as a fun pastime, a way to create unique and personalized gifts for friends and family. It always allowed me to express my creativity while bringing warmth and comfort into my home. Over time, I realized that candle making was more than just a hobby. It was my passion. I loved experimenting with various fragrance, colors, and techniques of create one-of-a-kind candle. When the COVID hit, I found myself with more time on my hands and decided to turn my passion into business. However, I knew I had a lot to learn. I immersed myself in YouTube tutorial, online articles and blog to understand the nuisance of candle making. I learned about different type of wax, wicks and fragrance as well as how to create a usual appealing and well-performing candles. I started by creating a small batches of candles and giving them to friends and family for feedback. Their positive response encouraged me to take the next step and invest in my business. As I continued my journey, I discovered the supportive and candle making community on YouTube and social media. I connected with fellow candle makers from around the world, sharing tips and tricks and experiences. I joined Facebook group and forum where I could ask questions, share my progress and get support from experienced candle makers. Their guidance helped me overcome obstacles and refine my craft. Attending workshops and events also played a significant role in my growth. I learned from industry experts and gained valuable insight into the latest trends and techniques in candle making. So the one part is done about my craft. Now the next challenge comes how to sell my candle, and there are lots of I didn't know about business. To successfully run my business, I knew I needed to acquire skills in marketing, finance and customer relations. So I enrolled in community college courses to expand my knowledge. I spent many late nights studying and working on my business, learning about pricing strategy, social media marketing and customer services, all while balancing my family life responsibilities. Skills I gained in these courses allowed me to create a solid business plan, set realistic goals and effectively manage my time and resources. I learned that branding was crucial in setting my business apart from the competition. I spent weeks brainstorming, sketching logos, and refining my brand message. I wanted my customers to feel connected to my brand, which led me to create Sweet You candles. The name representing my commitment providing high quality eco-friendly candles that promote self-care and well-being. Along the way, I encountered challenges like finding the perfect wick for my jar. By reaching out my support network and continuously experimenting, I overcome these hurdles and improve my product. My family has been rock throughout this journey. Their support, encouragement and involvement play a crucial role in my success. I remember attending a craft shows, feeling shy and struggling to communicate with customers due to English being my second language. But my son stepped up and used his charm and charisma to sell my candles. Do you have any memorable moment that where you need your family and they just came to rescue you? It was the same moment for me. These moments not only brought our family closer but also taught me a valuable lesson about connecting with customer and believing in my product. After countless hours of hard work, I finally listed my candles on Etsy and began attending craft shows to showcase my creation. The positive feedback and the demand of my candle motivate me to take the next step and register my company. I focused on improving my online presence, building on appealing website and engaging the customer on social media platform. This led to an increase in sales and helped me reach a wider audience. As my business grew, I expanded my offering to including workshops and private parties, teaching others the art of candle making and sharing my passion with the larger community. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. I hope my story inspires you to pursue your passion and never give up on your dreams. With support of loved one, anything is possible. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts and subscribe to my channel for more exciting contents. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.